days someone be my dad and they give it, and I'm like, oh, it's my dad, come on.
Commode at home, you know.
Slippery slope.
It's a seat over a toilet with handlebars, so yeah, and it's height raised up.
It's doing my nut, man. I feel like I'm in a retirement village, you know what I mean?
It's because my back, once my back's sorted, then I'll get rid of it.
There's another red there.
I ain't got
nothing to do.
Oh, you can't have red, mate.
Time's right.
Actually, I've got a...
You know what's going on here, John.
I might have a flicky black one.
Got a black pen. I've got another red. Why do you think black then? It's OCD, isn't it? Matching my little black.
I thought I was on to a winner, but it's blue.
Felt tip.
Yeah, man. Blue's near.
No, that's fine. Everyone whiteboard. You just keep a note and then just put the reason why. Just start creating a picture. Because as I say, I know by sort of February we're going to be on the hunt again for a couple more vans. But then the problem is obviously with that, because all the vans are periodically here, could always be a different van to the insurance side, isn't it? But that's what we're saying. By February, obviously we'll have that sorted out, you know? Of course, of course. All I'm trying to say. Okay. So, you know, and then if you say to me, take him off, but put Aaron on, someone younger, 28, 26, that's where it's becoming a problem, because then it'll be another 500 quid on the policy.
He knows what it needs. He knows what it needs. The anticipation there of what he was going to write. Everyone's like, what's he going to do? That'll do. Yeah. Stick man.
That's important. That's important.
Why have I done this on here?
Will trim. So, morning all. We're having a little road trip today to see a couple of the lads out at work. We've got Reese and Harry. Harry's only done a couple of days on windows at the minute, so I'm just going to go and see how they're getting on, give them a little surprise visit. I'm sure they'll be more than happy to see us. And we've I picked a good spot because we've just found them on the first house. Here they are. Hi lads. Hello.
Alright mate.
How you going?
Not too bad mate, yourself?
Yeah, all good, all good. How's Harry getting on?
Yeah, not too bad to be fair.
Yeah.
Alright.
You've been sort of looking over the bits and that?
Yeah.
So you this one here and then back into Buckingham again, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, another 10 minutes back into there. I thought it was just Buckingham was Buckingham. That's how Harry's doing. Where are you hiding? How you getting on?
Good. First day window cleaning, not too bad.
Yeah. Good. Change from holding a pressure washer.
Yeah, bit of a change. Just trying to get everything I can. Mine's not exactly helping for the edges, but there you go.
Hunting crocodiles and that.
Dundee.
Oh damn, Billy Bob.
Right there, it's a water chicken, Billy Bob.
So we've just pulled up at another location now. We're at White House Park in Milton Keynes. We just come from Buckingham from seeing Reese and Harry. We're going to come and see Martin now, and I come bearing gifts. He's been after a brush head now for about 2 weeks, and I messed up the order. I put the wrong billing address down, so when we thought we'd ordered them and they didn't turn up, I then found out that I put the wrong address down for the card. So yeah, it's turned up now. Let's go and give Martin his new brush head. Ho, ho, ho. How you doing? How you getting on with that head?
To be fair, I don't mind it, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's not too bad.
I'll take this one back then.
Yeah, not too bad.
I don't know, I always prefer when I've got the seal brush on.
Yeah, it's not the best for high ledges,
Nah.
but apart from that, it's alright.
How many you got left?
Yeah, I got about 7 or 8 on it, and then one in new thing I got to pick up.
Hell back, you're flying today, ain't you?
Yeah, I've got about another 8 jobs left.
Yeah, looks like you're doing all right. But I estimated job number 12, and then just as I was heading to your job number 12, you posted about that 9A.
Yeah.
So yeah, was it 9A that didn't want it done?
No, next door to here.
Oh, what, you had 2 on here?
Yeah, next door to here, number 42. It's got a big window, note in the sign saying don't clean our windows, you won't be paid.
It's good of them, isn't it?